In this video, Sylee is back to GrabFood. He purchased an eco-drive e-bike not too long ago and have yet to set up his e-bike ready for delivery. Shout out to Million Factory Club for sending us a 48L Thermal Sling Bag, a metal rack and front and rear signal lights. Before we continue, are you subscribed to our channel? Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you never miss any of our videos. What is up, fellow riders? Unfortunately, today is not going to be a delivery vlog. However, we are meeting Sylee and he has been a while. He has MIA for quite a long time. And just a couple of days ago, he purchased an eco-drive e-bike and yet to have his e-bike set up. This video isn't sponsored, but shout out to Million Factory Club. They have kindly sent us a food delivery rack, a 48L Thermal Sling Bag, and both these accessories are essential for food delivery riders, as well as an exclusive signal light, front and rear signal lights. Okay guys, so I'm actually quite excited to share with you the signal lights, the front and back signal lights, because me as a rider, most if not all of the time I'm on the road, and multiple experiences. If I want to make a right turn, I have to look back countless times, and I'm afraid, and I'm sure, and I'm not sure if the driver knows that I'm trying to make a right turn or not. So I think the signal lights would actually be really helpful to at least notify the drivers that I'm actually making a right turn. And finally, for the longest time, I've been wanting to have a signal light. Here it is. Right now we are at Simei. Finally, not finally, I mean it's just a very short distance. So Sylee stays in Simei. And we are reaching his place very soon. Okay, so here we have Mr. Lee over here with his new ride, and now we are going to a nearby park. We're gonna do a video. So how is your new eco-drive bike?
Yeah, slow.
Slow. Slower than e-scooter, that's for sure. But you're getting used to it.
Yeah.
I see that you also have a, you wanna share with why do you prefer this kind of seat?
See, that's the definition. As you can see on the seat here, they say.
Yeah, let's get a closer look. Yeah.
So you can see on the seat here, they say recovery zone with memory foam. This recovery zone actually recovers your ass.
Recovers.
On the previous seat, your ass will not recover. You'll be this, and this is the active zone.
Okay.
As you can see.
Yep.
You put your cock here. So it's forever active.
Okay, interesting.
Yes. So this is best. For whatever purpose you may want to do with it.
Interesting, very interesting. Okay, let me lay it out first. We have a lot of good stuff. Okay, so right here we have is the food delivery rack and 48L Thermal Sling Bag. And here is the signal light. Okay, let's open up the box a bit. I'm doing this with one hand. Okay, so what's inside the box? USB cable. It's a bit messy cause I've already opened it up. You have the instruction manual, which obviously we don't need. And we have, this is left and right front, left and right back. It doesn't matter anyway. And this is the remote. Here are some black pens, the 3M sticker. I've used a few already. I've already pasted onto this mounting over here. This clamp, this mounting, and a few other things which we will go into details later on. Okay, we have a pair of rear mirrors. This is by me by me, okay. These are a few items by me, okay. It's a Christmas gift Rear mirrors, left and right. We have a helmet, and also we have a bicycle lock. These three items are your Christmas gift, Mr. Lee.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Okay.
Filming you while you're filming.
You're filming me while filming, interesting.
Yes, nice.
Yep, okay. What's next? Okay, so now we are gonna set up this 48L food delivery rack. What we have here is this few sticks, white sticks, this thing, and then we have a divider, and we have the base. Okay, these are the things that we have here. So in total, there are actually 4 long sticks over here. Okay, we put this as a base lah, so you guys can see it clearer. So in total, there are 4 long sticks, and sliding down this one. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 short sticks. All right. So we also need to open. This. This one you can just tear it off. Okay, these are the connectors. Okay, we just create the base first. All right, and then it's gonna be a squarish shape, and then we're gonna connect it over here. Connect all of the sticks. Gonna take patience to do this, that's for sure. Okay, once we finish doing this base over here, we're gonna change places. Okay, we just put the 4 long sticks onto the corners. Alright, and we are getting there. It's actually not too difficult to build up this bag. And once again, the 4 corners, it has to have a connector so that it connects. Alright, we just need to finish this, connect the 4 corners. Okay. Okay, here's the bag. Very simple, very simple. Step 1, open up. Step 2, find the black color base. Okay. Okay, step 2, put the base over here inside. Step 3, we're gonna put this support. This is like the bone of the bag. If you don't put a bone, then you put the food, then the food and drink all confirm will spill lah. Okay. Sylee wise word, 2021. Alright, and that's pretty much it for the bag setup. It's actually quite simple. So they have actually provided this divider over here, and I don't know, maybe you can just put it in the middle. In the middle there's Velcro over here. These 2 parts, these are the Velcros, so you can put your first customer's foot on the left or on the right, up to you. Yeah, something along this line. So one way is that, you see, as you can see over here, there's a metal ring on this side, and on the right side there's also a metal ring. So what some riders do, sometimes they want to tongpang their girlfriend, they want to tongpang their kids, they don't want to remove this seat, right? So what some riders do is they just place the bag onto the cushion, onto the eco-drive's rear seat, and they use the bungee cord and they hook it, come below, they hook it underneath. Can you see there's this thing over here underneath, there's a gap. So basically you just place the bungee cord from the ring of the bag, tie it, go through underneath, and then it comes onto the other side lah. So basically that's one way to do it lah. But if you want to do it this way, I suggest that you get a 43L bag. This is a 48L thermal bag. So if you want to do it this way, I suggest you get it smaller, because over here at the back, as you can see, it's a bit on the wider side. So if you get a smaller bag, that's more balance. Okay, but today our Mr. Lee over here is going to have been a food delivery. So obviously we're gonna mount the food delivery rack. We're gonna remove the Eco Drive, the rear seat. Okay, we're gonna remove this, and we're gonna mount this food delivery rack. Okay, firstly, we have to flip the e-bike upside down. But of course, when you do so, you have to be careful of the number plate lah. Don't break the number plate at the bottom. Okay, and then just be careful. Slow down, slow down. And then now it's flipped. That's how I do it lah. That's how I do it. There are actually numerous ways to do it. If you guys are able to do it without flipping it over, I think do it your way. But I only know how to use this way lah. Okay, so there are actually 5 screws over here. I want to drop by this side. There are actually 5 screws, so it's quite dark. Not sure if you're able to see. Yeah, so as long as you can see a screw head, then you just remove lah, huh? Okay, so as you can see, this is the controller. So controller is exposed. What you guys can do is you guys can use a masking tape to mask it. That's what you guys can do. Okay, so now this is what I do to mount the delivery, to attach the delivery racking onto GuideToGrabFood e-bike. So cable tie is one of the more secure way, fastest and secure way to do this. Okay, so all you need to do is just you need to go through the e-bike racking. Yeah, there's a e-bike rack. Okay, you just need to attach them together. Very simple. There are 4 corners over here. Okay, so it's quite dark lah. Not sure if you're able to see. So what I do is I just take this strap over here, and I clip it up. I go through, by the way, I go through underneath. Okay, and then wait, I show you guys, and then I tighten it like this. Okay, one more time. Over here, maybe on this side. There's more lighting on this side. Okay, so it comes like that. You wanna stand here? So it comes like that. Remove this, clip over here, go through, go underneath the delivery rack. Go underneath the delivery rack. Clip it on and secure it. Same like this area. Go underneath the delivery rack and secure it like this, so that the bag wouldn't move. Okay, do this on all 4 corners. Okay, so that the delivery bag would be stable and would move, and people won't steal lah. So see, as you can see, I can't even remove the delivery rack right now. It's all good. We're gonna set up the front and rear signal light. Actually, we will take one left, one right lah, since we are gonna start from the back. All right. So one rubber band each. So very simple. There's a catch lah. So you just pull down the catch, and it's in. Very simple, very simple. We're gonna do this for the other side. Gonna look for the bicycle clamp. Okay, not a bicycle clamp, but a clamp basically. Just need to attach this, and it's in. Okay, so the left and right side has been in already. Okay, now I think I mix up. We gotta figure out which one is left, which one is right. Okay, just by pressing the button. There we go. This one is left side. Okay. Okay, so this is the left side. Okay, so now first step to attach this is to put it through the light. Okay. Second step is we have to go through underneath the metal rack, the delivery rack, and the rubber band goes through on top, and there we go, secure. It may shake a little bit. Of course, if you want it to be more secure, you can put a black tape around around this metal racking, so it's even more secure. Okay, now on to the other side. Same thing. Go through this. Go through. Put it onto the whatever you call this bicycle clamp, and then we hook it upwards. There we go. Left and right settle. Now let's go to the front. Don't forget to mount this remote control over here. So just to ensure we are on the right angle, we press the right, or we press the left, my bad, we press the left. So this is the left, okay. Alright, so we're gonna mount it this way. So you're gonna stretch the rubber band a bit and mount this onto this handlebar grip. And there you go. On your left, and then you got your right. Same thing, just like your rear. Woo! Nice. What do you think?
Sylee turning right. Sylee turning right. Please don't bang me.
Yes.
After this, please don't bang me.
And of course, you guys got to make sure that the right is placed on the right. Don't mix up the right onto the left. Later the driver see from behind this guy signaling left, but you're actually going right.
Right, langgar.
Yeah.
Pass away.
If you are looking for accessories essential for food delivery, Million Factory Club offers a wide range of choices. Alternatively, you could head over to my Carousell to check out some of the items that I'm distributing for Million Factory Club, such as the 48L thermal bag, metal racking, and front and rear signal lights as seen on the video. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!